Okay, you guys, we just made it to the top here and just got dropped off by our tour van. And from my understanding, we have to take another van to get further up. We were supposed to be here at 8:30 this morning, but the tour guide people had some trouble with their vehicle. So, and this is our tour guide right here. Her name is
Milani.
Right.
Nice to meet you.
All righty. So when we were on our way up, it was cloudy, and we actually didn't think we were going to be able to have a good clear day. So we're still in hope mode that the clouds stay gone. We can get some good snapshots, and if not, I might have to come back up here again, because it would be a shame to travel halfway around the world and not be able to get any good pictures and video. It's all about the content. So, trying to get you guys some good content. So she says she has to get some tickets. So I'll try to get that cost as well.
Everybody's here. In 10 minutes, I'm gonna be right here, okay? I'm gonna get the tickets. In 10 minutes, I want everybody to be here, all right?
I will be here in 9. I have no
That looks like fun. Okay, let's look over here, get some good shots. Now that is beautiful. That is beautiful. I cannot say how good that looks. Hey you guys, I am currently in Rio de Janeiro, as you may not know or may know, but behind me you can see the backdrop here. It is completely gorgeous. We're on our way up to Christ the Redeemer, which is right over here located. Don't know if you can actually see that, but he's located right up there. And just buying the tickets right now. So having a great time. Took us about, I would say about 10 minutes to get up here in a van, and then at this level, and then we take another van going up to the actual Christ the Redeemer statue up there. So been there, done that travel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that click that button right now, and go ahead and subscribe. Most of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you are subscribed, start sharing these videos with other people, okay? That's the only way this channel is going to grow. We have some really good content. Been to a lot of nice places. We've been to Peru, we've been to Costa Rica, Dominican Republic, Philippines, Korea, the list goes on and on. So if you're interested in following me as I travel the world, got about 170 more countries to go to, and done about 20 so far. So join me on that journey. I'm sure you'd have a great time. A lot of adventure, having a lot of good food, meeting a lot of good people, exploring a lot of good places around the world. So Looks like that sun is coming out, which is what we wanted to see anyway. So like I said, this backdrop is just great. So Rio de Janeiro, we're here. I got to get back over here. Our tour is going to keep going. She said about 10 minutes. So I wanted to take a few minutes video real quick, let you guys see this backdrop. So stay tuned.
Hey,
been there, done that travel.
Scat.
2 hours. What time do you have?
12:46.
12:46. 1:40. Okay, you guys, so we are in the line. They have two options. You could either take the steps up or they have an elevator. Now, if you remember when we were in Colombia, Guadalupe, we took the steps, but we're gonna make life a little bit easier this time, and we are going to take the elevator up. So I believe on the way down, I may do the steps, just depending on how much time we have. So water's dripping on me. Step over.
I can hold you.
Go back down to my
I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Nah, more like 15. Alrighty, you guys. This is it. This is it. Woo! Look at that view. This is spectacular.
I do. I'm sorry.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. There's Christ the Redeemer there.
No importa. No, vos me tenés que mirar.
Okay, you guys, so we're going on our way to the top here. The difference between here and Colombia at Guadalupe is they have modern features like elevators and escalators. Absolutely gorgeous. Move on to Christ the Redeemer.
Perdón, no me di cuenta.
Ahí está, vale,
They had some type of issue with their vehicle, so it would really be nice to get here, and there was no one here. But
You like one?
find that. Okay, you guys, we're gonna start to make our way back down.
A las 8 el estadio.
De acá, mira. De acá. E aí, João? Ali, ó. Você pode? Olá!
I like that. Listen, it's not you who, not now, when. So this is the backside here.
¿Qué? Si es.
220, Jimmy.
Should have brought my drone. Think I'll come back.
¡Aló! ¡Para, nene! ¡Vení!
Quebra perna. Quebra perna. Quebra perna. Uma coisa assim. Não pode escolher.
So this is the steps. Going down is a little bit easier than coming up.
Diciendo que porque es caro.
Tendríamos que hacer un curso.
Da mucho terreno.
The day that we went with
pica aquela galinha azul.